This is the first cold start with the Catless downpipes. Fully built nitrous Trans Am, guys. Fully built nitrous Trans Am. Woo, woo. 2,000 horsepower. 2,000 horsepower. Big cam, 2,000 horsepower, guys. 2,000 horsepower, big cam. We're here at Ken's Automotive, guys. Time to get these downpipes we just ceramic coated, put on, and then you already know what it is, guys. Time to put that boot mod stage 2 on there, guys. I don't know if I'm going regular stage 2 or stage 2 race gas, but we definitely going stage 2, guys. Trying to get some real horsepower out of it. And we back here at Ken's Automotive. So we finna get this baby up in the air, and I'll be right back with you guys.
Perfect.
So far, we took this wiring harness holder out. We disconnected this vacuum canister, and we have all 4 of the O2 sensors out, and the heat shield is popped. We're just letting it cool down a little bit more, but it's just a bunch of stuff you got to take off the top of the motor to get to this heat shield here, guys. Like, here's the vacuum canister. This little harness here holds all of those wires back there. It's like a bunch of wires that run across the top of the heat shield, and you actually have to move this little expansion coolant tank for the turbos to actually get to the screws on the bottom of the heat shield so you can pull it out. But as you guys can see, we have all of that stuff moved, and you know, the turbos are right here and the clamps are right there. So we're gonna let it cool down a little bit, pull that heat shield out, and go ahead and get that loosened up, and then head up under the car to get the bottom of the downpipes loosened up, and then we can get these VRSF downpipes put right in, guys. Ceramic coated by me, myself. How you like that? So we had to disconnect the back of the pipe, guys, and take off a couple of brackets on the exhaust so we can get the downpipes disconnected from the actual exhaust pipe, guys, because it's so tight up under here. So guys, we had to take this piece off here, remove the weather strip, engine weather strip, and these screws here, and this panel comes off. Then we can pull these down pipes out, guys. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish installing these downpipes. Just put them in the reverse way they came out, and then we're gonna get a cold start with the Catless downpipes.